Hello everyone, my friends. Welcome to a new video. I'm Ufuk from the Monte Crypto Conto team. Today we will review Vino, Binance's new Launchpool project together. So what will we be looking at? What is Binance Launchpool? Is it reasonable to participate with BNB? Is it reasonable to participate with FDST? How can we participate in this Launchpool? I believe you can find the answers to questions like these through this video. It's going to be a packed video, so please don't skip through it. Don't forget, if you want, let's not waste any time and jump into our video to see how we can participate in the Vina Launchpool. First of all, what is Binance Launchpool? I want to talk about this, guys. Binance Launchpool is a platform where you can earn free tokens from projects brought to Binance's Launchpool by staking BNB or FDUSD. We're participating in these tokens for free, so it wouldn't be wrong to call this a free pre-sale. So, having learned about Launchpool in this way, let's take a look at the Vina Launchpool. We can earn for free. If I talk about the details of the Launchpool, our Launchpool will last for 2 days. So, we will be able to farm for 2 days and earn Vina tokens for free by staking BNB or FDUSD. And when we take a look at Vina, it turns out to be a local EVM-compatible Layer 1 blockchain for user data, guys. So, what's the tokenomics like? So, how much is the reward amount? What is the amount of rewards allocated for the Binance Launchpool? What is the maximum supply of the token? It's important for us to look at these as well, because this helps us with the price, guys. When we look at the maximum token supply, we see that there are a total of 120 million VEN. And you can see that the amount allocated for the Binance Launchpool is 4.8 million Vina. That corresponds to 4% of the maximum token supply. Guys, another very important part is the circulating supply. The reason we need to look at the circulating supply is that it will help us make price predictions for Vina. The total supply that will be in circulation is 30,084,000 Vina tokens, guys. This corresponds to 25% of the maximum token supply. When we look at the percentage, I can say that it's a nice percentage for the initial circulating supply. Now, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we can earn tokens for free from the projects that Binance brings to the Launchpool by staking BNB and F2SD. How much is it giving for BNB? And how much for F2SD? They have allocated a total of 85% to BNB, guys. That corresponds to 80,000 Vina. They have allocated 20,000 for the FDUSD pool. So, they've allocated 85% to BNB and 15% to FDUSD. You can say that here. Teacher, why have they allocated such a large amount to BNB? Because BNB is a risky coin, guys. In other words, there may be fluctuations, there may be a fall, there may be a rise. But that's not the case with FDUSD. It's a stable coin. If you have a stable coin, you can directly stake it to earn Vina. That's why I kept the amount low here. Let me explain it this way. As we move further into the video, I'll be discussing whether it's more logical to lock BNB or FDUSD. I'll be explaining these as well. Now that we've looked at the details of our project, how can we participate in this Launchpool? Let's take a look at this. I'm starting by logging into the Binance homepage. I've switched to the Binance homepage, guys. Before joining this Launchpool, you'll need a Binance account. If you don't have a Binance account yet, you can register at Binance using the commission discount link I've left in the description. Also, since you registered through our referral link for the event we organized, you can earn a $30 withdrawable reward for free. So you can register at Binance using our referral link. For those of you who say, I already have a Binance account, but I want to get that $30 reward, you can take advantage of this opportunity by referring someone who is over 18 and eager to use Binance. It's completely in your hands, so you don't need to be an existing user to participate in this event. You can also benefit from this $30 by getting enthusiastic people from your circle to register on Binance. So, how do we earn this $30? Let's quickly touch on this. How can we participate in Binance Launchpool? I'll take a look at this. First of all, as I mentioned, you register on Binance using the commission discount link I've left in the description. Then you can easily benefit from that $30, trading on spot or futures. After completing these conditions, do not forget to fill out this form that I left in the explanation section. If you don't fill out this form, we won't be able to send you the $30, guys. So, filling out this form is important for you. This is how you can earn the $30. So what are our simple rules here, guys? If you reach a trading volume of $600 on spot, meaning if you buy and sell for $600, or if you reach a trading volume of $200 on futures, you can benefit from that $30, guys. The deadline for our event is at the end of this month, guys. For this reason, you need to act quickly. After touching on this, I'm going back to my Binance homepage right away. We registered on Binance. Then we filled out the form for the $30 withdrawable reward. Now, we just have the part about joining Binance Launchpool left. You can join Binance Launchpool like this, guys. There's more to it. This is in the More section. You click on Launchpool, and you can view the new Launchpool projects from here, guys. It says upcoming right now, but this will be activated soon. You can participate in this Launchpool by staking FD, USD, or BNB here. Can't we stake right now? Yes, guys, you can stake right now, but you'll start earning the rewards after the event begins. Lock it in already, guys. By the way, I misspoke. It's starting in 11 hours, so I think it's starting tonight, guys. So go ahead and lock in your FDUSD or BNB now to join the VINA Launchpool. If you want to earn VINA tokens, for free, of course. So how are we going to lock it in, guys? When we click on FDUSD, we're greeted with a screen like this. Of course, I haven't logged into my account on the computer right now, guys. You'll have a section here to specify the amount, and in this amount section, you'll be able to stake easily. I'll show you how to stake from the phone in a bit. That's why I'm giving a brief overview of these parts. I'm explaining this for my friends who will join from the computer. Later on, if you want BNB, you'll go to the BNB section. You'll specify the amount there and stake. This way, you can easily participate in the Binance Launchpool. As I said, I'm reminding you one last time, it's going to start in 11 hours, guys. It's going to start in 11 hours, and will last until the 16th. On the 16th, when the tokens are listed, we'll be able to sell the VINA tokens we've earned. Now let's see how we can join this from the phone. After logging into my Binance app, I click on the Launchpool section at the top left. After clicking, a screen like this comes up. Right now, you can see the VINA Launchpool that is about to start. I already said that we can earn from this VINA by staking FDUSD or BNB. That's why I'm not dragging this out. Now I'm going to show you how you can participate by staking FDUSD. We're clicking on the log section. Then, after determining the amount, we enter the amount we want to participate with here, and then we click on the log section again, and our staking process is successfully completed. When can we withdraw the amount we've staked? You can withdraw it whenever you want, guys, and you can also claim your rewards whenever you want. These rewards will not be lost. You will also be able to withdraw your rewards during the locked period to your spot account, so they won't get lost anywhere. This is how you can do it. I actually want to show you how you can withdraw the amount I've locked, guys. Right now, you can see that I've locked 50 FDUSD in the bottom left corner. When I click on the unlock section, I enter the amount and click on unlock, and I can easily withdraw all the FDUSD I've locked back to my spot account like this, guys. You can do it this way with BNB as well. Now finally, I want to touch on this. Well, I locked my BNBs in the Simple Learn section for 30 days, and I can't withdraw them right now. Am I not going to be able to participate in this launch pool? No, guys, Binance automatically gives you privileges and allows you to participate in this launch pool. You don't need to do anything. As your rewards start to reflect here, you'll understand what I mean. So, you can participate in this launch pool with your BNBs that are locked in Simple Learn. So, is it more sensible to participate with BNB? Is it sensible to participate with FDUSD? Let's take a look at this. A total of 85% has been allocated to BNB. This, of course, whets all of our appetites. Some of our friends even say, let me go. I BNB with my FDUSD and earn more VINA tokens. No, it doesn't work that way, guys. BNB is a coin that goes up and down. So, if you don't hold BNB for the long term, I wouldn't recommend participating in the launch pool this way. Of course, if you have BNBs that you're hodling, you can participate with those and earn more VINA tokens. But if you don't have any BNB at all, then you can participate with FDUSD and earn VINA tokens for free without taking any risks. But you don't have any BNB at all, so you can participate with FDUSD and earn VINA tokens for free without taking any risks. Definitely don't take any risks here, friends. If you have BNBs that you have been holding for a long time, participate with them. Don't go throwing your FDUSDs away, thinking you'll earn more by buying BNB. You'll be really upset when the price of BNB drops in 2 days. I definitely don't recommend this. I'm seeing some questions in the comments. Some of these questions are as follows, guys. Do I need to come here and claim it at this hour? No need, guys. Even if you don't claim from here at the end of the event, your rewards will be credited to your spot account. And from that spot account, you can either hold your Binance tokens or sell them if you want. This is definitely up to you. So there is no point in coming every hour and making a claim and withdrawing the tokens to your spot account. Let it accumulate, guys. Binance Launchpool automatically deposits it into your spot account after the event. I've already touched on the Simple Earn section, so I don't want to go over it again. If you're in Simple Earn, you'll be able to participate automatically. You don't need to do anything, guys. If you're in Simple Earn, you'll be able to participate automatically. You don't need to do anything, guys. Let Simple Earn do this for you and earn your VINA tokens for free. I want to slowly wrap up our video. As we come to the end, I want to talk a bit about the earnings from Binance Launchpool. Binance Launchpool friends may not make much profit if you do not have a large amount of FD, USD or BNB, but there is a proverb that says drop by drop, a lake becomes a lake. Based on this proverb, use every bit you earn, like the $5 worth of Vina you gain here, for future launch pools. This way, your amount will grow gradually, and naturally, the amount you earn from launch pools will increase as well. In fact, we have an experiment related to this on our website, guys. In this way, as you accumulate gradually, the amount you have will grow, and naturally the amount you earn from launch pools will increase as well. In fact, we have an experiment related to this on our website, guys. For example, let me show you from the beginning. I've come to the second page. We started with ACE, guys. In total, we had 20.5 BNB. When we got to page 1, in our last scroll record, we had a total of 27.95, so 28 BNB. We did this with the tactic I mentioned earlier. So for example, we earned a total of $32 worth of tokens from Hamster Combat. We invested all of this $32 into BNB and tried to earn more scrolls by participating in the next launch bull with those BNBs. In this way, both the amount of our BNBs increased, and later, as the price of BNB also went up, it provided us with a nice profit. Of course, the price of BNB can also drop, guys. There's no guarantee that this tactic will be profitable. It could also lead us to losses in the future. We're using a tactic like this. I'll leave the link to this Monte Crypto account in the description section of our website. You can access the other part from here, guys. So I wanted to explain this part as well. There are many launch pools where we've made great profits. We made a lot from some of them. We made small amounts from some of them. Of course, this is not obvious, friends. It's also shaped by the state of the market. But since we are currently in the BOA market, I think that new launch pools will make very good profits. Definitely don't miss out on these launch pools, guys. Make sure to try to participate. We're participating for free. We're not putting in any effort. Come on, let's join these launch pools. Since we've talked about the profits like this, I actually don't have much left to say, guys. I don't want to drag this out and bore you. You can ask your questions in the comments section. I'll do my best to answer. You can also support us by subscribing to our channel. Please, don't forget. Looking forward to seeing you in our next video. Goodbye.